The real truth about making money online is that it is a legitimate path to income, but it requires consistent effort, patience, skill development, and a realistic approach. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Here is a breakdown of the key truths and myths. The big myths. The not true promises myth. The reality. Get rich overnight. Sustainable income takes months or years of consistent work. It's a slow burn, not an instant explosion. Passive income is effortless. Passive often means a massive amount of front-loaded work and initial investment, time or money, to build a system that later generates income with minimal maintenance. It's never truly zero effort. No skills or investment needed. You need either existing skills, e.g., writing, design, programming, or the willingness to invest time and sometimes money in learning new skills, tools, and marketing. Anyone can succeed. While the barrier to starting is low, the barrier to meaningful success is high due to intense competition and the need for persistence. It's all scams. While scams are abundant, there are many legitimate ways to earn income online, primarily by providing genuine value or services. See below. The core truths. The realistic facts. 1. It requires effort, consistency, and patience. It's a business, not a hobby. Treat your online venture with the same seriousness as a traditional business or a job. You need a plan, goals, and a consistent work schedule, especially in the beginning. The power of consistency. Building an audience, ranking a website on Google, or getting consistent freelance clients takes weeks or months of showing up and producing quality work, even when you see no immediate results. 2. You must provide real value. The exchange, online income, just like offline income, comes from providing a product, service, or solution that people are willing to pay for. This could be time, skill, freelancing, writing, coding, design, virtual assistant. Content, audience, building a blog, YouTube channel, or social following that can be monetized with ads, affiliate links, or product sales. Product, selling physical goods, e-commerce, dropshipping, or digital products, ebooks, courses, templates. 3. It's highly competitive. The entire world is your competition. To stand out, you need to either be specialized, find a very specific niche, e.g., SEO for dentists, instead of just SEO. Be exceptional. Offer significantly higher quality or a better value than your competitors. Be unique. Have a unique voice, perspective, or combination of skills. 4. Scams are real and everywhere. The warning sign. If an offer promises high returns, little to no work, and requires a large upfront payment, it is almost certainly a scam, e.g., most pyramid schemes, shady investment platforms. Legitimate opportunities. Legitimate opportunities involve a transparent value exchange. They pay you for your work, your product, or your audience's attention. Realistic and legitimate ways to earn online. These are proven models that work, but require skill and effort. Method. What you need: earning potential, freelancing, a marketable skill, writing, coding, design, editing, etc. Varies greatly, can replace a full-time income. E-commerce, dropshipping, product research skills, marketing knowledge, setup capital, for ads, website. High, but comes with high risk and competition. Content creation, niche expertise, consistency, patience, basic SEO, video skills. Low initially, can be very high long-term through ads, affiliates, and products. Online courses, consulting, deep expertise in a specific subject, marketing skills. Very high, especially with a scalable course model. Microtasks, surveys. No special skill, just time. Very low, useful for small amounts of extra cash only. In short, think of making money online as building a digital business or career. You will be your own boss, but that means you are also your own CEO, accountant, marketing manager, and labor force. Success is possible, but it must be earned.